Hello viewers, once again welcome back with a new topic, weighted average profit method under the valuation of goodwill part 3. Part 1 and part 2 is related to overall view of the goodwill and average profit method. Today we shall move with the weighted average profit method. First we shall understand the meaning of weighted average profit and how we can calculate the value of the goodwill. See, when the number of profit of past years of the business are continuously either increasing or decreasing under such circumstances, weighted average profit method is applied to calculate the value of the goodwill. That means, see here, when the value of the goodwill or the profit of the goodwill, for example 2019, 18, 17, 16, the last 4 year profit is the profits of last 4 years is variated. That means in 19 it is increasing, in 18 it is decreasing, 17 again it is increasing, 16 again it is increasing. In such circumstances, that means increase and decrease of the profit for the last 5 years, last years, not 5, last years. In that case, we will apply the weighted average profit method to evaluate the goodwill of the company. That is considered as the weighted average profit method. Variation in the value of the variation of the profit of the company. In that case, variation means once year, the past year it is increasing, another year it is decreasing. Variation in the profits of the past years of the company. In that case, weighted average profit method will be applied. To calculate the value of the goodwill, we should pass 4 steps. We should pass the 4 steps. The first step are steps to be taken to calculate the value of the goodwill. The first step is weights are to be assigned to profit of each year on the basis of their influence on the future profit. The maximum weight being assigned to the profit of the recent years. That means, see, in the first step we should assign the weights. We should assign the weight to the profits of the particular year. See here, there will be 4 years, the weight will be 4. The highest weight we should give to the recent past year. Highest weight we should assign to the recent past year, that is 4. For the next year it is 3. Again for the 2017 it is 2. For the 16 it is 1. In this way we should assign the weight to the particular year. That means highest weight we should assign to the recent past years. This is the second step. And move with the third step. Third step is then total product of second step is then profit of each year are multiplied by their respective number of weights, which resulted in the total products. In the second step we should find out the product. We should find out the product of the particular year. See, product means profit. See here, profit into weight. Profit into weight is equal to, you will get the product. Here profit into weight, we will get the product of the particular year. In the second step we should find out the total product. Total product will be find out by multiplying the profit into weight. We will get the product. And next, in the third step, the third steps will be total product is so arrived at is divided by the total number of weights of all years. We will get the weighted average profit. In the third step we should find out the total average profit. To find out the total average profit, we should make the total of total products, here total products, and here total weights. Therefore weighted average profit is equal to total product divided by total weight. This will give the weighted average profit. That is the third step. And then last step is, there is a final step to find out the value of the goodwill. The value of the goodwill, finally the weighted average profit is to be multiplied by the number of years of purchase. To find out the number of years of purchase that is given in the problem, we will get the goodwill of the company. Finally, the weighted average profit is to be multiplied by the number of years of purchase that is will be given in the problem. The resultant figure will be the goodwill of the company. Finally, the final step will be the weighted average profit is multiplied by the number of years of purchase. That resultant figure will be the goodwill of the company. This is the fourth step is to be passed to calculation of the or to evaluate the goodwill of the company. The first and foremost step is assign the weights. Assign the weights for the respective years. The highest weight is to be assigned to the recent past year. Then we should go with a decreasing order. Here there is a 4 years. Then the weight 4 will be assigned to the recent past year is 2019. It is an example. Then 3 is for 18. Weight 2 is for 17. 1 will be for 16. Then the second step is to find out the total product. Total product will be found out by multiplication of the profit into weight. Profit into weight is equal to the total product for the respective year. It is the second step. In the third step, before that you should find out the total of total products and total of weight. In the third step, we should find out the weighted average profit. Weighted average profit is equal to total product divided by total weight. Total product just we had calculated here, and total weight. The total product will be divided by the total profit. We will get the weighted average profit. Finally, to find out the valuation of the goodwill, the multiplication of the weighted average profit, just we had calculated that figure, and number of years of purchase that will be given in the problem. Multiplication of these two factors, you will get the value of the goodwill of the company. This is about the formula and theoretical aspect of the weighted average profit method. Then we shall solve one simple problem, very simplest problem, which will very clear to you people. See here, the problem is very simple one. The Kranti Company Limited proposed to purchase the business of Shanti Company Limited. For this purpose, it is agreed to value the goodwill of last 3 years. See, 3 years purchase of number of years of purchase it is of the last 4 years of profits. Appropriate weight is to be used for the 4 years of profits. See, 4 years profits and respective weights already they are given in the problem. 4 years, 2004 weight will be 1 and profit is 15,000. 2005 weight is 2, 37,500. 2006 is 3, 45,000, and for the last year it is weight will be 4, 52,500. They are asked to calculate the goodwill under weighted average profit method. Find out the goodwill of the company under the weighted average profit method, and then solve this problem. You can solve this problem. See, calculation of the total product of the company. For that you can make such a column. First column will be the year, second column will be the profit of the company, third will be assigned weights, fourth column will be the total products. See here, for the 2004, 15,000 is the profit as they are given in the problem, and weight will be 1. For the 2005, 37,500, weight is 2. 2006, 45,000, weight is 3. 2007, 52,500, weight is 4. Then the second step is to find out the total product. Total product is profit into weights. Profit into weight. 15,000 into 1 it's equal to 15,000. 37,500 into 2 it's equal to 75,000. 45,000 into 3 it's equal to 1,35,000. 52,500 into 4 we will get 2,10,000. Then make the total. Total product will be 4,35,000 and total weight is 10. Then the next step is to find out the weighted average profit. Weighted average profit, WAP or weighted average profit is equal to total product of the weighted profit divided by total number of weights. Total product is equal to here 4,35,000. Total weight is 10. That's equal to 43,500 is the weighted average profit or WAP. Then find out the value of the value of the goodwill is equal to WAP into number of years of purchase. WAP is 43,500 into number of years of purchase is 3 years. See here, at goodwill at 3 years of purchase. That is the number of years of purchase. 43,500 into 3, we will get the 1,30,500 as the value of the goodwill of Kranti Company Limited. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts or queries or any doubts related to the topics, please comment in the comment box. Please write it on the comment box. Thanks for watching. Thank you.